Hello everyone, and welcome to our English lesson for beginners. Today, we'll be learning some essential vocabulary related to accessories. Accessories are items that we wear to complement our outfits and express our personal style. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently name and describe various accessories. Let's get started. First, let's begin with some basic accessory items. Repeat after me. Scarf. Scarf. Earmuffs. Earmuffs. Hairclip. Hairclip. Hairband. Hairband. Gloves. Gloves. Socks. Socks. Tie. Tie. Bow. Bow. Hat. Hat. Cap. Cap. Belt. Belt. Shoes. Shoes. Purse. Purse. Umbrella. Umbrella. Necklace. Necklace. Ring. Ring. Bracelet. Bracelet. Eyeglasses. Eyeglasses. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Watch. Watch. Pocket watch. Pocket watch. Scissors. Scissors. Common pins. Common pins. Scarf. Earmuffs. Hairclip. Hairband. Gloves. Socks. Stocking. Tie. Bow. Hat. Cap. Belt. Shoes. Purse. Umbrella. Necklace. Ring. Bracelet. Eyeglasses. Sunglasses. Watch. Pocket watch. scissors, common pins. Well done! You've made fantastic progress in learning accessories vocabulary for beginners. Now you can confidently name and describe various accessories, and even engage in a simple conversation at a store. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an expert in English accessory vocabulary. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future lessons. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful.